Okay, the cover is off. I had forgotten to take out one bolt on the water pump cover there. That's what prevented that from coming out. But inspecting this sounds gritty in there. When I twist it like this, it's gritty feeling. So that's my problem is in there, which of course is right there where the oil pump shaft bearing happens to be. Seems okay. I don't know. But anyway, here's where I'm at with things. So there's the old oil pump shaft. All the chains and stuff. Also, I disconnected the alternator wires as per the advice of Camo. So anyway, thank you guys for getting me this far. So once my pieces get in here in the next day or so, I'll put it all back together. But in the meantime, I gotta try to figure out how to get that out.